Hey, Edgars from Funneltopia here. Product collections is a new feature I wanted to quickly show you that's available in Funneltopia, which essentially allows you to create different collections and have products under them, right? Like categories of sorts. And to create a collection, I'm going to show you how to create one, how to add it to a page, and how to assign the collections, and also how to assign products to these collections. So first, let's just create a collection, right? If you go to payments, products, collections, and over here, you can see there's a couple here already. You can create a collection here by clicking on the blue button. Obviously, give it a name, like here, winter collection, summer collection, clothing, right? You can add an image, which over here you can either upload it from your computer or pick one from your past images. So that's pretty straightforward. As for the additional information or options, this is the SEO title, description, handle. That's kind of more for the search results, right? To kind of have better odds of showing up in the search results. So that's something to utilize as well, right? It's definitely not going to hurt. So yeah, once that is created, you can assign products to these categories. So let's say we go to payments, products, right? We have a different product. So let's say t-shirt. Let's click on t-shirt. And what you want to do once you're inside, you want to scroll down over, I think it was, product collection. And you can assign it to, I'm going to assign it to a summer collection, right? And you can do actual several. You can do, let's do this, right? So if there's like different options, it can be under several. It doesn't need to be just one specific one. So you can do this, and then we can save. And each of your products should be under one of these collections that you have created. And then to display these collections on your website, so this is just a random page on the website, what you want to do is obviously create a new section, and then you want to add an element over here. And then under the elements section, right, you scroll all the way down, and then you select collection list, you drag it in. So now it shows 3 collections, which are not the actual collections that I've created. So you want to click on this element, and here you can see collection 1, collection 2, collection 3. First of all, you can select how many you want, right? How many columns, all that stuff. So let's just do 3. 3, 4, 5 kind of looks nice. And if you scroll up, it's just the default placeholder ones, right? So you want to click on collection 1, and you want to select the collection you've created. So in this case, it would be winter collection, right? So this is the image we added, and then here's the name over here. And then obviously for each of these placeholders, you can select collection. So summer, I don't think there's an image. Yes, obviously add images. Otherwise it doesn't look that good, right? Just, add those. And basically once they click on it, they get taken to the products that are under this collection. And it's kind of a nice way to organize all your e-commerce products, right? So as I said, one of my favorite features as of recently, it kind of neatly organizes everything in your store. And if you have any questions about this or anything else Funneltopia related, click on the icon here below, 24/7 chat support. I'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. If there's no more questions, then I'll see you in the next video. Bye.